Hey everyone, welcome back. Life can feel like a never-ending marathon sometimes. We're constantly bombarded with deadlines and responsibilities that leave us feeling overwhelmed. But what if you could find moments of calm amidst the chaos, even with just a few minutes to spare? Today, we're diving into stress and exploring how we can fight back. Stick around to learn 5 quick and effective ways to reduce stress in under 10 minutes. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you for it. Let's kick things off with a technique so simple, yet so powerful: deep breathing. It's something we do every day, often without thinking, but when done consciously, it can have profound effects on our well-being. When stress takes over, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. This response, while useful in dangerous situations, can be detrimental when triggered by everyday stressors. Our breath gets shallow, our heart races, and it feels like everything is spiraling. This is where deep breathing comes in as a powerful tool to regain control. Deep breathing acts like a manual override for your nervous system. It signals your body to calm down, reducing the production of stress hormones. It's like hitting the reset button. Imagine being able to reset your mind and body with just a few deep breaths. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and just breathe. This simple act can create a moment of peace in the midst of chaos. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand like a balloon. This type of breathing, known as diaphragmatic breathing, ensures that you are using your lungs to their full capacity. Hold it for a few seconds, savoring that feeling of fullness. This pause allows your body to fully absorb the oxygen. Then slowly exhale through your mouth, feeling the tension melt away. Imagine exhaling all your worries and stress. It's almost like you're breathing out the stress and anxiety, replacing it with calmness. Each exhale is a release, a letting go of what no longer serves you. Do this for a few minutes, focusing solely on the rhythm of your breath. Let each breath be a reminder of the present moment. Think of it this way: it's free, accessible anytime, anywhere, and surprisingly effective. Whether you're at work, at home, or even in a crowded place, deep breathing is always available to you. Seriously, give it a try. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. You might be surprised by how much a few deep breaths can change your outlook. It can transform your day, your mood, and even your life. Try counting the seconds of your inhales and exhales. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This technique, known as box breathing, is used by everyone from athletes to Navy SEALs. Incorporate deep breathing into your daily routine, and your calmer, more centered self will thank you. Make it a habit and watch as it transforms your life. We've calmed the nervous system with deep breathing, allowing our bodies to relax and our minds to settle. Now let's talk about finding inner peace through meditation, a practice that has been around for thousands of years. You don't need to be a Zen master to meditate effectively. Anyone can start, regardless of experience. I'm talking about simple, accessible techniques anyone can do, anywhere, anytime. It's about finding what works for you. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and tune into your breath. This is your time to disconnect from the chaos. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle flow of air in and out of your nostrils. Feel each breath as it comes and goes. Your mind will wander, and that's totally normal. It's part of the process. Don't get discouraged. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath. Each redirection is a moment of mindfulness. Think of your breath as an anchor, grounding you in the present moment. It keeps you steady amidst the waves of thoughts. Each time your mind wanders, gently guide it back to that anchor. This practice builds resilience and focus. Even a few minutes of this can make a world of difference. You'll feel more centered and at peace. The more you practice, the better you become at noticing wandering thoughts and redirecting your focus. It's a journey of self-discovery. It's like building a muscle for your mind. With each session, you strengthen your ability to stay present. There are tons of guided meditation apps and videos if you prefer guidance. These can be great tools to help you get started. But even just a few minutes of quiet, focused breathing can do wonders for your stress levels. It's a simple yet powerful practice. So, find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and give yourself the gift of stillness. Embrace the calm and let it rejuvenate you. Let's get those endorphins flowing with a little physical activity. It's amazing how just a bit of movement can transform your day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm stressed, not training for a marathon. But that's exactly why you need it. But we're not talking about intense workouts here. Simple, gentle movements can be incredibly effective. Even small bursts of movement can make a huge difference in your stress levels. Just a few minutes can change your mood. Think of stress as a buildup of energy in your body. It needs an outlet, and physical activity provides that. Exercise is a way to release that energy in a healthy, productive way. A quick 10-minute walk, some gentle stretching, or even a bit of dancing, or even a few jumping jacks can do wonders. It's all about getting your body moving. Get your heart rate up, feel your muscles working, and let go of that pent-up tension. It's a natural stress reliever. The key is to find something you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or a sport, make it fun. Any movement is better than no movement. Every little bit counts. So, even if you only have a few minutes, get up and move your body. You'll be surprised at how much better you feel. You'll feel lighter and more energized. It's a simple way to boost your mood and improve your day. Let's talk about the power of music. Music can tap into our emotions and shift our mood instantly. It's like a soundtrack for our lives. For stress relief, avoid anything too fast-paced or aggressive. Think calming melodies, soothing rhythms, and peaceful lyrics. Classical music, nature sounds, and some types of electronic music can be effective. Create a playlist of your go-to calming songs. Put on your headphones, close your eyes, and let the music wash over you. Next time you're feeling overwhelmed, turn up the volume on your favorite tunes and let the music work its magic. For our final stress-busting technique, let's talk about journaling. Journaling is simply about creating a space for your thoughts and feelings. It's about getting all that stuff out of your head and onto paper. Think of it like a brain dump, a way to declutter your mind. You don't need any fancy notebooks or prompts. Just grab a piece of paper or open a blank document and start writing. Write about what's stressing you out, what you're grateful for, and what you're worried about. The act of writing itself can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows you to process your emotions, gain perspective, and often find solutions to problems. Use it as a tool for self-discovery, stress relief, and creating more peace in your life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Let us know in the comments which stress-reducing technique works best for you. Remember, you've got this. With the right tools and techniques, you can navigate life's challenges with more grace and less stress.